J.R. Ricks & Sons is a fifth-generation family-owned business established in 1873. Whilst its business has diversified over the years, its core values remain as strong and important now as they did all those years ago. Ricks Petroleum has fuel distribution depots throughout Yorkshire, Lincolnshire, Mercia, the Midlands, the North East, East Anglia, Essex and the east coast of Scotland. We've been supplying domestic, commercial and agricultural fuel for more than 80 years. We supply millions of litres of gas oil, diesel and kerosene each year, as well as other related products such as lubricants, additives, AdBlue and fuel storage tanks. At Ricks Heating Services, we make sure your oil-fired boiler or Arga-style cooker equipment is running to its full potential. Whether it's an annual service or a breakdown that needs attention, our dedicated Offtech qualified team located throughout Yorkshire, North Lincolnshire and on the east coast of Scotland is always on hand to provide the care and support that you need. Keeping your commercial vehicles on the road of course helps keep you trading. Located in Hull, Ricks Truck Services fully trained staff offer fast and competitively priced servicing to keep your vehicles on the road when you need them. And talking of on the road, situated also in Hull, Jordan's Cars can put you behind the wheel of some of the most stylish cars on the market, be it Fiat, Abarth, Alfa Romeo or Jeep, or something even from our extensive pre-owned range. We'll work with you to find the car that best suits you. We offer a comprehensive after-sales service including servicing, MOT, parts, body shop and valeting. FuelMate offers leading fuel card solutions to businesses throughout the UK. Whether you operate locally, nationally or within Europe, we can provide your business with the perfect solution to your fuel card needs from the major networks. Ricks Shipping is where the company began more than 140 years ago. With locations in Hull and in the port of Montrose in Scotland, it operates a fleet of oil tankers, estuarial barges and crew transfer vessels. Specialising in freight forwarding, stevedoring with the ability to handle multiple types of cargo, there's also warehousing and fuel bunkering as well. Ricks Shipping's Montrose site has been operating for more than 40 years, giving us the experience to offer the very best to our clients. With modern, secure cargo handling facilities including serials testing and a weighbridge, we have earned an enviable reputation and Montrose has become the perfect centre for international trade and distribution throughout Scotland and Northern England. Maritime Bunkering Limited provides deliveries of marine fuels and lubricants throughout the UK and worldwide through its trading partners. Our team has the highest level of knowledge and is available for you 24 hours a day. Founded in 2009, Victory Leisure Homes designs and builds leisure homes and lodges of the highest quality. Located in Gilberdike, East Yorkshire, at a purpose-built factory, their staff of more than 100 people proudly build between 15 and 20 leisure homes and lodges a week. Built to exacting standards, Victory Leisure Homes is able to offer a 2-year warranty with every home sold. Spacious living in style and luxury, that's what our customers have come to expect and enjoy from Victory Leisure Homes. We'd love to talk to you about how J.R. Ricks & Sons can help you, so please visit our website or get in touch. J.R. Ricks & Sons, proud of our past, focused on the future.